In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Silverado key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do, and it will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things that you will need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries, you can go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now, there are a couple different versions of this device. I have the 6-button version here. I believe there's a 3, 4, and 5-button version that just looks like this. It'll have the Chevy symbol there, but it has these kind of notched sides. Sometimes this is even silver on the sides here. It doesn't matter which version you have, they are just different layouts of the same device, and you can follow this video to learn how to change your battery. They all take the same battery and everything like that. So just follow along with me, and again, we'll have your battery changed in under 5 minutes. The first step is to flip this thing over and look right where the keyring attaches down here. There's a little slot, kind of an area on the back here that we are going to put our flathead screwdriver into to pop off this back section of plastic. So we're going to do that by inserting into that area and just turning your screwdriver like a key. And as you can see, I've snapped off this little piece of plastic there, just detached it to loosen it up. And now we're gonna go insert and twist in the other direction. And you can see the whole thing came flying off there. That is actually probably not going to happen on yours because I am missing a little piece of plastic that holds the battery in there. But let me just show you that super quickly one more time. So we're finding the little slot, inserting our screwdriver, turning one side, turning the other side, and there we go. We've safely removed the back section of plastic. Now, I actually have my battery is just kind of falling out here. That's because my particular device is missing this little section of plastic that helps hold this battery down. Unfortunately, it can be a little bit difficult to remove your battery the first time, and just having done that for so many different times, this little tiny piece of plastic here did snap off for me. So I'd like to give you a little warning to just take your time on this part so that this doesn't break off. And if it does, the battery works all the same. It's just a little precaution for you. So what we're going to be doing is taking the same flathead screwdriver and finding there's these little openings next to the battery, a little space enough for us to put our flathead down into. What we want to do is kind of wiggle it down in there as far as we can, and then just gently pry the battery up to click it out of place here. So just get under the battery and pry it up, and from there you can just dump out your battery, dispose of the old one, grab your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is going face up. So you'll just slide it under this larger tab of plastic first, and then click it down under the other little piece of plastic there. From here, all we need to do is snap this back piece of plastic on there. So just push down, make sure both sides are attached, and with that you are finished and good to go. So I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know down in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with videos on the devices for pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.